In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to combine external CSS files in WordPress. Each CSS file requires a separate HTTP request when a user visits a website. By combining multiple CSS files into one, you reduce the number of HTTP requests, which is crucial for faster page loading times. In order to do so, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add a new plugin. Simply search for Fast Velocity Minify and this is the plugin that we're looking for. Click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating as well as active installations here. Once installed, click on Activate. Let's configure the plugin settings first. You can see various settings over here. You can configure all these settings on your own. Now, on scrolling a little, the plugin offers various CSS settings. You can just enable this Combine CSS Files option under Advanced CSS options to combine external CSS files. Combining CSS files is a performance optimization strategy that addresses issues related to page load times, HTTP requests, and overall user experience. It aligns with best practices for web development and contributes to a faster, more efficient, and user-friendly website. Once done, you can simply click on Save Changes. And that's it. This is how easy it is to combine external CSS files in WordPress. Now, in case you want to learn how to create a download link, then you can learn that as well. I've linked the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.